Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making applesauce loaf bread. You'll need flour, applesauce, eggs, and yogurt. That's it. First, whisk 2 eggs with a mixer, then add yogurt, applesauce, and whisk again. Then, you're going to add your flour and mix it up with a whisk. Then, you're going to add soda and cinnamon and mix it up again. Then grease a big baking dish and then you're going to pour your mixture right in. Then you're going to bake, and now let's see the final result. Thanks for watching.